Alright, so we're going to go ahead and create an extrusion based on what a pillow facsimile might be. We're going to set it on this this center left right, and so I'm just going to go to my left and I'm going to go to create extrusion, and I'm just going to use this guy to pick the first line from, but I want to make sure I set this to my reference plane center left right. If I pick this and I click that and I go to my 3D view, you'll see it's setting that guy, right there in the middle. And then if I go to offset, or actually go to pick line again, and we're just going to offset this by 2.5 inches, right? And click that guy up there, right? So you can kind of see that happening there. And then if I go back to my left, I'm going to create a spline, comes in, right, and then come over here, do kind of the same thing. If you don't get it exactly right, you could kind of mess with it, however you think. If you think this will pull over a little bit, it's not going to be, like I said, this is not my perfect version of this, but it's close enough. You can come over here and kind of fiddle with this, however you want to do that, right? And then if I go to my 3D view, right, and I hit check, you'll see that guy come out. And then what we're going to want to do is come in and set like a pillow parameter for this guy. So I'm just going to say this is, just make sure I don't have any in here. Yeah, I don't. Okay, so I'm going to set this at pillow width 01, right? And click OK. Oh, there's already one there. Let me pause and okay, so I created those earlier, so I went ahead and deleted them so we can do it now. But I picked this and set the extrusion end, right? So I'll just do pillow width 01 and click OK, click OK. And then if I come in, you'll see pillow width 01 is there. So if I set it to 2 feet and hit apply, it shoots it out that way. But really kind of what I want it to be is the width, or the depth. No, it would be the width, right? Width divided by 2, right? So if I hit apply, then that would go to the exact, but maybe we want divided by 2 minus 1 inch, right? So there's that guy, right? So it's kind of halfway there. And then if we pick this guy, we can set over here another one, pillow width 02, click OK, click OK, and then come in here, and basically that pillow width 02 will be the same thing as the pillow width 01, but just multiply it times -1. Right, if I hit apply, whoops. Actually, it would be the same, right? We don't need to do the -1, so let's apply that. Actually, let's cancel that. So go back. So we've got this one, pillow width 2 is set to 0. So if we set pillow width 2 to 1 foot and apply, about -1 foot. Interesting. So let's see. Whoops. I think we might have to put this in. Right, and then times -1. There we go. So now you've got this guy that sort of expands and contracts, right? So it's a little bit of, but you should be able to go in and let's put the pillow width down a little lower, right? So I think really what you want up top, and probably the frame diameter. So you can arrange these however you want them. Maybe the strap width comes next. And now you should be able to expand and contract this. So I type 4 feet and apply, right? Or see if it'll do 1 foot, right? So super skinny, the little thing flies off. But you should be able to get different sizes for this guy. And then the last thing is maybe select this guy and put a material parameter on the pillow.